Well, hello there, my YouTube family. It is me here. Yes, I am back doing another video. I'm still at the University of Kansas Hospital. I'm by the pollinator. I'm in the pollinator garden now, so I'm gonna show you guys all the flowers, and hopefully we see some pollinators out today. So without further ado, I'm just gonna show you a look around because this is their pollinating garden now. I took you guys once here. I think it was in the early spring or something when I was last up here visiting my mom. But I'm up here. I'm back up here today because I had an appointment for myself. But yeah, look at all the beautiful flowers. Well, some of them are not so pretty anymore because it's fall, but still. I think down here is where we see all the bees and stuff, you guys. Bees, butterflies. Yep, there's a bumblebee right there. There's a bunch. There's quite a bit of them. We got a butterfly moth. I love the bumblebee. But yeah, there's a bunch of pollinators flying around here right now, which is pretty good because we do need them. And they seem to really like this flower right here. We got honeybees, we got bumblebees, we got some butterflies. There it is. Nice bumblebee. And some pretty flowers. We got all type of stuff going on around here. We got the little butterflies. Ooh, the little butterflies are over here. Of course, they're not going to let me. They ain't going to be still enough to let me get a good video, but here's all the pretty flowers anyway. Here's another pollinating garden right here. I'm recording.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Right.
that's okay.
I'm just waiting.
Oh, okay. No, but no worries. And here's another pollinating garden right here with a bunch of pretty flowers. There ain't too much activity going on over here with the butterfly. Ooh, I think that's the Isabel. I think that's actually a moth. I think that's the Isabel tiger moth caterpillar. I don't know when they are a moth. Ooh, these are beautiful. There's a honeybee right there. Awesome. Okay, they liking this flower. This one's dying off. But hey, fall is right around the corner. There's another butterfly. Or a moth, I should say. Okay, I'm going to take you guys back where the action is real quick, and then that'll probably be where I end this video. Ooh, I believe those are some type of hibiscus right there. I love hibiscus. I got 2 of them at my house. But I'm going to take you guys, I'm probably going to end the video where all the activity are going on at. Which seems to be right here with these flowers. Where'd y'all go? Yeah, here we go. All the cool bumblebees. Oh yeah. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna get off here now. I just wanted to do this video for you guys. If you like these type of videos, pets and plants, please feel free to give me a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you ain't already, and please hit the notification bell so you get all my videos as soon as they come out. And until the next one, may y'all have yourselves a blessed day, and please stay safe out there. May God bless each and every one of you. Bye.